here in Perry Township, beyond just them being new academic spaces, just represents moving forward as a community and as a district.
Today there was an amazing ribbon cutting ceremony happening at all 3 schools, so the community got to come in and experience the spaces that they get to get educated in. One of my favorite things about designing schools and interacting with the community is being here, like on days like this when you get the excitement of the community. The turnout was amazing.
Your shirt, buddy.
A lot of work went into navigating the concepts and details in each of the buildings, which are all uniquely different, with Watson concept and tribute being to the arts in Perry Township, Perry local schools. Southway and concept and tribute is to industry and railroads. And then here, obviously, it's agriculture. Very impressed with the thought that went into a lot of the detailed work associated with those concepts.
The theme for each school really informed every single aspect, from the facade, the outside of the building, to the colors, to the patterns on the floors. And you want to have a space that is exciting and inspiring to those young students. That's what TDA does. Our enjoyment is providing pre-K through 12 schools to their environments, and seeing that come to life makes me feel like this is why I became an architect, to be able to give back to the community.
Our pledge to the community is to continue to provide the absolute best education that we can for the children of this district.
I want to thank and acknowledge you, the Perry community, for making this possible. Thank you for investing in our children and community.
Perry is a very special place, and not only because of the rich traditions and history of our township and schools, but also because of the families that have chosen to live here and call Perry home. We are and always will be Perry.